This 170,000 1970 Dodge Challenger RT is not just a muscle car, it's a purple-painted legend hiding a 446-pack monster under the hood. There are cars that simply transport you from one place to another, and then there are cars that transport you back to an era when horsepower ruled the streets, engines shook the ground, and every stoplight was a challenge waiting to happen. Today, we're looking at one of the most iconic machines ever created, the 1970 Dodge Challenger RT, a legendary Mopar muscle car restored with a stunning combination of classic styling, brutal performance, and collector-level craftsmanship. Finished in the unforgettable Plum Crazy exterior paint, this Challenger instantly commands attention. It is the kind of color that defined the golden age of American muscle. Under the sunlight, the deep purple finish highlights every curve, every body line, and every aggressive detail that made the Challenger one of the most recognizable cars of the era. But this machine is not just about appearance. Beneath the hood sits the heart of a true street legend, a powerful 440 Ci 6-pack V8 engine. This big block powerhouse represents everything enthusiasts love about classic Mopar performance. With its triple 2-barrel carburetor setup, the 6-pack delivers incredible airflow, massive torque, and the unmistakable sound of American muscle turn the key. And this Challenger comes alive with a deep, commanding exhaust note that reminds everyone nearby that something special has arrived. The 440 6-pack was built for those who wanted more than just transportation. It was engineered for excitement, speed, and unforgettable driving experiences. Power is delivered through a legendary A727 Torqueflite 3-speed automatic transmission, known for its durability and smooth performance. Behind that transmission is a 3.91 1-gear ratio paired with a sure grip 8/3 differential, creating a drivetrain designed to put serious power to the pavement. Every detail of this Challenger RT has been carefully chosen to enhance both performance and reliability. The upgraded aluminum radiator combined with electric fans helps keep the big block V8 running at the perfect temperature, whether cruising down the highway or enjoying spirited driving. The stance of this Challenger is just as impressive as its engine. Sitting proudly on classic Magnum 500 wheels, this muscle car carries the perfect combination of vintage styling and aggressive road presence. The front wears 235 60R15 BF Goodrich Radial T tires, while the rear readies wider 275R15 BF Goodrich Radial T tires, giving the car that unmistakable wide rear muscle car attitude. Behind the wheel, the driving experience is enhanced with power steering, making this classic easier to control while maintaining its original character. Stopping power comes from power brakes with front disc brakes and rear drum brakes, delivering confidence while preserving the authentic muscle car feel. The exterior design is pure 1970 Challenger RT. The bold Plum Crazy finish is complemented by black vinyl side stripes that add a performance-inspired look. The black vinyl top creates a beautiful contrast, giving the car an upscale appearance while staying true to its original muscle car identity. Even underneath, this Challenger receives the same level of attention. The underside features a body color matched finish, showing that the restoration focused on quality from every angle. A factory replacement dual exhaust system provides the aggressive sound expected from a 440-powered Mopar, while new shocks, brake lines, and fuel lines improve reliability and driving confidence. Open the door, and the interior delivers the perfect balance of classic simplicity and performance-focused design. The cabin features a traditional black vinyl interior with comfortable front bucket seating and a practical rear bench seat. The black carpeting completes the clean, factory-inspired appearance. The driver-focused cockpit includes factory-style gauges, allowing the driver to monitor the Challenger's performance while enjoying the nostalgia of a true 1970s muscle car. Sitting in the center console is one of the most iconic features, the pistol grip automatic shifter, a signature Mopar design element that connects the driver directly to the performance personality of the car. This Challenger RT represents a time when cars were built with attitude, personality, and raw mechanical excitement. It combines the legendary 440 six-pack engine, aggressive styling, desirable Plum Crazy paint, and a carefully restored presentation that collectors dream about. With a price of $170,000, this 1970 Dodge Challenger RT stands as more than just a classic automobile. It is a rolling piece of American automotive history, a machine that captures the spirit of the muscle car era and preserves it for a new generation of enthusiasts. The Challenger RT was never meant to blend in. It was created to be noticed, heard, and remembered. And nearly 5 decades later, this Plum Crazy Mopar legend still has the power to stop people in their tracks. This is not just a car, this is a symbol of American performance history.